What's up guys? So today I am on my way to a wheelie school. It's called Wheelie School here in Cape Town, and it's pretty cool. You learn to wheelie on a little 250 dirt bike, but it's got like a wheelie training wheels. Basically looks like training wheels that stick off the back of the bike. And they teach you how to wheelie correctly, as well as using your back brake as opposed to just controlling it with your throttle. So yeah, it's a 30-minute theory session if you need that much theory. 30 minutes on the training bike, and then 30 minutes on your own bike. They can hook up the trainer to your bike, and you learn safely on your bike without looping it. As far as I know, the mechanism is attached to the rear brake of your bike, so it stops you from looping. There's a cord or something that pulls on your brake lever when you're going too high, so you can't actually go over backwards, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm just going to ride around and get a feel for the bike, a little XR125 with a 14-tooth sprocket. Let's see how it goes. Okay, what do you recommend, one finger or two fingers?
Okay, so a lot of people full hand grab the clutch. Obviously you need fingers on the bar. So I use one finger because it gives me 3 fingers on the bar. Yeah,
that's how I've been practicing with one.
If you're comfortable with one finger, then do one. If you are comfortable with 2, then do 2. But see how you feel. So most important thing for you now is body positioning. So sitting in the position you're in now is obviously not key. So you're going to sit as far back as you possibly can.
Okay.
Wherever you're comfy. I would even sit a little further back.
Like that.
So if you're comfortable in that body position, you can start from a dead standstill, just give it some revs, drop the clutch, and up she goes, just giving yourself your back brake coverage. Alternatively, if you are feeling a little more comfortable with a slower rolling start, I think we should get into that a little bit later, but a slower rolling start, then you're tapping the front brake, so you're engaging the fork, and then it's coming up like that. But it might be a little technical kind of vibe.
Okay.
Basically what you're going to do is engage that front fork, lift it up, and then when you see those front forks at 12 o'clock right in front of you, like
perpendicular or parallel to the right,
at 12 o'clock. So I mean, if you sit back, I can lift you up here, and you will feel.
Oh jeez.
See here, so that there is in your line of sight. So you're sitting there at 12 o'clock. Okay. That there is 12 in your line of sight, maybe there.
Wow, yeah, it feels like I'm going to slide off the back here.
Okay, but don't worry.
Sure. That's a weird feeling.
So stop, dead standstill.
Now
give it some gas, and then just drop that clutch. So come up,
Okay.
So dead standstill again.
Okay. Yeah, I see what you mean by this back brake. It's not very responsive.
Yeah, but don't worry about it. So facing in that direction now.
You're
going to give it a little more
gas.
Boomer, drop the clutch. Don't worry, because you're not going to go over.
Okay.
You cannot fall over. This cable is going to catch you. Even that cable's a bit long, it's still going to catch you at 130. You're not going to fall back. I've never seen anybody do it except for on a demo, where you would slide into the bucket, but it's not going to slam you. The bike will also stop, because that back brake will be engaged, so you'll be sitting stuck in this position. So don't worry about it. So give it some boomer, drop that clutch, and lift it up. Remember, no rush. So take it easy. Until you're ready. Give it as many bashes as you can. So initially it's going to come up and you can ride it out slightly. Of course, throttling off as you drop down again.
Okay.
Just get it up as high as you can for now. So give it some serious rev.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that felt a bit better.
Yeah. So bad.
Yeah. Okay, let's try that again. Yeah, that feels better. How close was that to 12? Because that felt almost similar.
Yeah, you were at about 11:30.
Okay.
So when you're getting there, when you're feeling that, you'll feel. I mean, dude, you've been on less than a minute. So the situation is, once you start feeling that you're actually there, then give it some gas.
Yeah.
You know, and you don't have to worry too much about slamming on that back brake.
Yeah.
As I say again, you're not gonna loop.
Yeah.
I mean, if you were just unclipped, I'd be going, oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah? So, yeah, give it a couple of goes until you're feeling comfortable there.
Okay.
And you'll see, by within that 20 minutes, you'll be
Don't chase it out. That was better. Smooth and controlled. Whew, this is very tiring actually.
Slow it down like you were. And the other thing I wanted to suggest to you is what I saw you you did nicely now, and I'm not sure if you're conscious of what you did.
Leaning back a bit.
Before you pulled off, you bent your elbows up.
Oh.
Okay, I just wanted to tell you that made a difference. I just picked
like
it up.
that?
Yeah, so you pulled your elbows up just before you pulled off.
Okay.
It almost gave you like a reach.
Yeah.
Just an observation.
Okay.
So try that again. Keep it slow, slow, slow. Remember what went wrong earlier? You know what went wrong earlier? Is when you're on power wheelie, whatever direction you're going, you can hardly stop.
Yeah.
And that's what pulled you there.
Yeah.
When you're on control wheelie,
it doesn't matter, yeah.
Correct. Then
yeah.
It's easy just to put it down. But that was just an observation. Very nice on the elbows.
Okay.
So just keep that again. Elbows up and then pop it back in.
Okay. There we go. Almost. That was a lekker one. Okay, let's do this again. Yeah. Yeah, that helps quite a bit.
Well, big time. And I know that Brent's advised you on the clutch, and it is an option, but because you're getting strain on your hands now, and my personal preference is being on that foot brake.
Yeah.
So be on that foot brake, because you just want to keep it slow. Don't out rev it.
Yeah, I feel like the
beginning, which made all the difference.
Yeah.
As soon as you start out revving it, put it back down.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like the brake obviously gives you more control. When I'm clutching in at the top, it feels like the bike wants to do that.
Correct.
Instead of go back forward.
Instability. So
yeah.
You want stability.
Yeah.
So stick to that as your come down.
Yeah.
So your come down's always going to be that and that. So either one. When this one fails, that's your reserve.
Yeah.
But it's better to get your foot always on that fucking brake.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Almost like you must strap it to the brake.
Yeah. I'm doing that now. Like I'm getting a cramp in my calf from using the
legs in, which is nice.
Yeah. That's keeping the legs in made a big difference to the control as well.
Of course, yes,
yeah.
Because you can handle the bike better.
Yeah.
I was almost going to make a suggestion to you.
Yeah.
Just for now, come a little bit forward.
Yeah.
Okay. And then use your grips in your legs. Okay.
Yeah.
And now do it.
Okay.
And just remember, you're going to need to up it a little bit.
Yeah.
But your balance point's going to be a little bit more comfortable.
Okay.
So just get used to getting it up again, slow,
yeah.
not fast. If I don't get it high enough, I stop.
Yeah.
I stop until I get it high enough.
Okay.
Just try that. I want you to just give that a go, give it a feel.
Okay. Yeah, much better.
Yeah, so we just want that same principle. Okay.
Also, when I was doing the further back ones, I felt more like I was holding on for my life doing this as opposed to this where I can,
all of that stuff, yes. And also your elbows up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep those elbows up and keep doing what you're doing. It's fucking brilliant.
Cool.
You'll also find you come off the back legs.
Yes.
Yes.
Like in this position, I haven't gone so far back.
I want you to.
Yeah.
We'll come catch you. Don't worry. Just hang there. Take you off. Don't worry.
Okay, cool.
Don't go past the code. That's all.
Yeah. Is this on now? That is on.
Perfect.
Thanks, man.
That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. But you're getting it now.
Yeah.
Pull up. Don't be afraid. And you've got your brake coverage.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the one thing I wanted to learn. Well, not the one thing, but the main thing was getting my brake discipline down. Because before, when I was doing my own wheelies, I was just tapping off and relying on the engine braking to bring you down.
Exactly.
So
it's never a good idea.
Yeah.
Less gas.
Okay.
Or hot, less gas.
What I said to Brent now was, the moment I can see you bring it up, drop it down, and bring it up without too much power, I'll know you're getting it. You're fucking getting it.
I also feel like the bounce is coming as second nature now, because my arms are more out. It just feels normal to do that.
Easier.
Yeah. It's all coming together now.